India doesn't just talk peace, we back it with power. In a world of rising threats, we've built one of Asia's strongest air defense networks. Fast, precise, indigenous. From drones to ballistic missiles, nothing crosses our skies unchallenged. Let's dive into India's missile shield, the technology that keeps over 1.4 billion people safe. Meet the next Gen Akash SAM, India's frontline air defense missile. It's our all-weather, all-terrain medium-range shield. Built completely in-house, it destroys 4 aerial targets simultaneously. The Rajendra radar tracks 64 threats and guides 12 missiles. With a speed of Mach 3.5, it has a maximum range of 70 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 25 kilometers. It is 96% indigenous, a true make-in-India marvel. It also has high-tech features like an indigenous RF seeker, multifunction radar, and mobile command and launch systems. Whether it's an enemy jet or a hostile drone, Akash intercepts before they can strike. And the best part, it's built right here, and DRDO is the brain driving that transformation. Now picture this. A drone sneaks across the border. Before it even gets close, QRSAM is in the air. It takes on low-flying drones and UAVs. With a range of 30 kilometers and a speed of Mach 4.5, it defeats electronic jamming with ease. It's equipped with a fully automated command and control system and is fully mobile for quick deployment on wheeled or tracked vehicles. It reacts in seconds, no delay, no mercy. QRSAM is India's frontline warrior for protecting troops and tactical zones. Developed jointly with Israel, Barak-8, also known as LRSAM and LRSAM, is India's elite long-range interceptor. It takes on everything: jets, cruise missiles, anti-ship missiles, and even ballistic threats. When an airstrike is attempted, Barak-8 is the nightmare waiting in the skies. Here's how India's layered missile defense works in real time. Layer 1 is mid-range. Akash locks onto jets and drones and launches from mobile units. Layer 2 is close combat. QRSAM instantly intercepts low-flying or nearby threats. Layer 3 is long-range. Barak-8 eliminates anything heading toward key installations. This triple-layer shield protects land, sea, and sky, in peace and in combat. These defense systems are more than just missiles. They're a symbol of India's self-reliance and scientific might. From preventing war to protecting peace, India doesn't wait to be attacked. We intercept. We neutralize. We deter like we have done in recent combat with Pakistan. Which of these systems do you think is India's strongest shield? Akash, QRSAM, or Barak-8? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more defense tech deep dives. This is Geo-Alpha, simplifying security one video at a time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.